Hello, friends. Welcome to the next module on how to be a rock star teacher. Now, the term rock star teacher encapsulates a new wave of teaching learning scenario with teachers who are of yesteryears but incorporating new features of teaching as street smart teachers. For children love to learn something which makes them interesting. We are not going to tell them about A for apple, B for boy, and C for cat, for they very well like and love to understand A for Android, B for Bluetooth, and C for cloud. So, teachers, this particular course modules the rockstar attitude of a teacher and getting in some more learning strategies to impart teaching in such a way that there is a wow element in the classroom. Now, with the wow element, I wish and I reiterate that teachers need to be somewhat like rock stars. Now, rock stars in terms of knowledge, in terms of delivery, in terms of manipulating the learning in the classroom, in terms of adding their respectful attitude as a teacher to that of a facilitator and more like a friend, a philosopher, and a guide to the students. For students are no longer kids, they are young adults. So, friends, being a rock star teacher is a necessity, if not a priority. For every teacher to be a rock star teacher, for the children, they raise their hands and say, "Ma'am, this is already in the book. Tell us something new." So there comes the catch. There comes the pride of how you're going to change the environment in the classroom from blah to wow. The aha moments need to be governed every day. The 35-40 minutes which we are there interacting with the children, we need to make sure that they are fascinated, they are the first rate, they are fantastic, they, they enjoy the classroom with engaging attitude of the teachers, and of course the learning has to be mind-blowing, mind-boggling, laudable, and engaging for the children to learn to the best of their learning. So we will have few modules here, some of the add-on slides, and I'll try to initiate learning in the best possible manner. So enjoy being a rockstar teacher, and at the same time I also contribute to your ideas, to your comments to be better. I don't say that I am a rockstar teacher. I am a teacher of the new age where I wish that the children love learning. For children will only like the subject if they like the teacher. So that attitude, that implication of learning has to be moduled in the classroom, that whatever you teach, they take it wowfully. So thank you so much for logging in. Thank you so much for opting for this course, and I'm very sure we are going to come up as a winner. Take care and have a great learning ahead. God bless.